Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the regulatory guillotine. This has been discussed here recently in a number of different forums here in Thailand associated with foreign business. A recent article from The Nation, that's nationthailand.com, article is titled "Government to Revise Immigration Business Laws to Lure Foreign Investors." Quoting directly, the revisions will also cover foreign workers, excise tax, city planning, biodiversity, the movie and video business, and energy sector, including infrastructure and alternative energy. The government aims to achieve at least 85% of the revisions targeted under its quote-unquote regulatory guillotine scheme next year, according to a government source. So what they've been talking about is they kind of did this in America back in the 80s as I was alive then, but I don't have firsthand knowledge. But I remember watching a documentary that was talking about, they had, as I recall, it was folks from the government, and they had like a chainsaw and they had all the books of the regulations and they were going to cut through all of that. And this seems kind of similar to that, where they're going to come in and sort of wipe away, presumably, if it comes off, it remains to be seen, but presumably they're going to try to sort of knock out a number of business regulations that just sort of overall can make it, as a business environment, Thailand keeps coming up in the rankings for ease of doing business, and it is exactly for these types of initiatives. But it's interesting because, yes, in many ways, Thailand can be, for lack of a better term, somewhat Byzantine, especially for folks who come from a lot of Western countries in order to set up their business and do business here. Thailand can be rather more Byzantine compared to some of those jurisdictions. That said, it remains to be seen how this will come off. I'm cautiously optimistic that we will see major changes, and hopefully it will be conducive to smoother and more ease of doing business here in the Kingdom of Thailand.